Welcome back to another episode of Bros Gone Fishing. Nice to see you. Alright, make sure you subscribe, like Instagram. Go on Instagram, give us a like, follow us. We're gonna pound them pretty good today.
You know what we should do, Mike?
What's up?
We should have a big bass challenge.
Let's do it. It's on the spot challenge, just like that.
Yeah, we didn't think of this, but we'll just do biggest bass wins.
Biggest bass wins.
How about this? Loser has to buy the winner two packs of Gary Yamamoto Senkos, because we never buy expensive Senkos.
That's true. I accept. So that's a challenge. 65 degrees.
It just poured all day today, so we're fresh off a rainstorm. We think that might be good. We'll see. It could be terrible.
I guess you'll have to wait and find out, huh? Yeah.
That was crazy.
Thought I had one. Oh, on the square bill. Look at that. Look at that catch. That's pretty cool.
The only way that one wins is if it's the only fish of the day.
Alright, it's the first one of the day.
Ooh, she's feisty.
I'll let this one go kind of out of the water for a second.
I don't think that's going to be the biggest one, so.
I don't think so. Alright.
Not worth the wait.
Caught that one on the square bill. So.
Crankbait. Crankbait.
Yep.
Crazy. Alright, let's keep it going. Just waiting. 7:25? Alright, we got an hour. Had a bite? We're in the juice now. Oh. There we go. Got one. I'm in the weed. I think I still have one though. Yep. I think he's out. Did he get off? Doesn't look too bad. There we go, my first one of the night. She's a little bloody, but she'll be all right. Just. That was freaking sick. Let's get him. We're getting bites all over now. It's time to catch him. I got the bloody pants from the fish. Dude, he engulfed that thing. And we were worried about saving that fish, not weighing it. So we're just gonna call it an even tie so far on the Big Bass Challenge, even though I think it was like 3 ounces bigger than Mikey's. But we'll call it a tie, and we'll get back. We're gonna catch a bigger one than that anyway. Come on, let's get real. Get back to it.
Don't worry, I got that perfect. I was ready for it to happen, and yeah, we're good now.
Oh, I just got a bite. Maybe. Yep. No, is he off? He's off. No. I suck at fishing, that's what happened.
That's a bit of shit.
Yeah. That's probably smaller than both of them. Skish.
Fuck. Yeah. Alright. Pretty small, but we're gonna weigh this one?
No, that's smaller than the other two we've got.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I thought you said so.
We gotta catch more.
So, yo.
It's kind of been slow. That's our third one today. But we gotta catch more. He ate your Senko.
Damn.
Alright.
I like that Senko. Alright, stay tuned. Yep.
Another little one.
Tiny one.
At least you're getting into some today.
Yeah. Unlike different stuff too, like different styles. Alright, that's 3 fish. Nothing real big, just like pound. Maybe a pound on that last one, but time check. Let's see, time check. 5 to 8.
Fish. That's a fish, bro.
Dude, it felt like a dead fish, bro.
That's like your line's moving like it's a fish.
That was a pretty easy catch right there, dude. Didn't even know I had it. Look how dark that is.
Fish.
When they're dark like that, you know they're just in those
Can
weeds.
we catch a big bass for the big bass challenge, or
What
we're
is
just gonna
this?
keep catching small ones?
What is this? Alright. Anyways, we're back to it.
Yeah. That's your 4th today, right?
That's my 4th. You know, I'm beating Joe as far as fish goes, but weight,
We're tied.
it doesn't matter.
I still
We're
think
tied.
I have the biggest one of the day, which is the
You
sad
might.
thing.
That is sad. But, cool. Got another one on the Nico rig right there. Bow. Let's get to it.
Oh. There we go. Is this the biggest one of the day? Or am I in weeds? Oh.
Could be. This could be. Definitely is.
Yeah.
Definitely is.
Okay. We're gonna put him on a scale. Pierced his cheek with it. Take a look at that guy. It's not a bad fish. She'll be right under 2, I bet.
So we got a couple about that size yesterday.
1 pound, 11 ounce, 111.
111.
That's lucky there.
Lucky tackle box or just like?
All right. Is he gonna put a show on for us? All right. Whoa, my second fish, but it doesn't matter how many we catch. It's about the big mondos. And my 1 pound, 11 ounce fish is that mondo. It's like, it ain't no mondo, but today she's our mondo. All right. Mike, are you gonna try to one up me, or are you gonna just sit there
Yeah, I'll try. Let me stand
and
up
just
here.
be satisfied? Going?
Yeah. I think. Still on there.
Splash.
Oh, get in the boat. This comes to be close one, dude.
We'll put her on the scale. That is a nice one. I think you're a couple ounces short.
Yeah, I think I am, dude. I think this is gonna be a 110, dude.
Nah, I think it's gonna be like a 1.5.
Oh, no, it ain't close. 1.4.
1.4.
1.4.
Alright, well we had to put one on there.
We're only weighing them because we have a challenge going, and obviously it's, you know, it's not a big bass, but you know what? We're gonna keep catching them for like a little bit that I've left. All right. Well, Joe's still up, and stay tuned.
Maybe not. It's probably just weeds, but it sure felt like a hit. Yep. Come here. Oh. Well, that's the smallest fish of the day. Well,
For sure.
you know, it's looking like it's coming to the end. It's probably the last one of the day, but we might throw a couple more. But anyway, thanks for watching. We're out here slaying it every day with you guys, just trying to put out that good content, you know what I mean? Oh, you bit. I was like, what are you looking at? You're doing
you
your
just, like-
videography stuff. I know. I feel you. But anyway, nice little largie. That's kind of an oxymoron, but we're a couple morons out. My point exactly, a couple morons out here fishing, trying to put out some content for y'all. So if you like it, subscribe, like, search us, freaking do whatever, because we'll be out here grinding, catching fish, week. So yeah, I just got some free Senkos courtesy of Mike, so I appreciate that. Hit him with the dab.